Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can lighten your skin fast. So this is going to be a step-by-step skincare tutorial and give you some product recommendations so that you can achieve that youthful glow. So first, let's start with the face. You want to make sure that you always double cleanse your skin because double cleansing can really make your skin look cleaner and brighter. So you want to start off with an oil cleanser first. This has been my favorite oil cleanser. I've been using this for years. This is the Biore makeup remover and it just helps remove all my makeup really well. So next you want to use a foam cleanser. I like using this one from the Face Up. This is the Rice Water Bright Cleanser. So this leaves my skin really moisturized and not stripped unlike most cleansers. And since this has rice, it leaves my skin looking brighter, and rice has been used by many East Asian countries to lighten their skin. So this is one of my favorite cleansers. After cleansing, I recommend using a serum that contains niacinamide. Niacinamide actually has a lot of skincare benefits aside from minimizing pores and fine lines. Niacinamide actually has been proven to decrease hyperpigmentation and dark spots. Your skin will basically lighten after using it for a long duration. After applying my serum, I always use a moisturizer. This will not really whiten your skin, but this one has hyaluronic acid, which helps my skin looking healthy and plump, like a baby. Every time I get laser hair removal, I would get like really dark spots in this area, and my doctor would always give me a cream that contains hydroquinone, and he said it really helps proven to lighten your skin. So this one is a bleaching cream with tretinoin. So this one has been one of my favorite products to really lighten my skin. Lastly, you may want to protect your skin from UVA and UVB rays. Sunblocks do not really help whiten your skin, but it can help prevent darkening of your skin from frequent sun exposure. So always use a sunblock. For the body, you may want to use an active ingredient such as glutathione. This is probably the most widely known ingredient in skin lightening. It can be used in the forms of tablets, injections, lotions, creams, and soaps. Glutathione, as its main ingredient, it inhibits the production of melanin, which naturally lightens and brightens your skin. Melanin is a substance in your body that produces your hair, eye, skin pigmentation. So the less melanin that you have, the darker your skin will be. Next, I like using a body scrub. This is optional if you want. Aside from niacinamide, this one also has alpha-arbutin. Alpha-arbutin is a natural ingredient that reduces your pigment production in your skin, and it is particularly effective at removing your sunspots and acne blemishes. So again, inhibiting your melanin production will lighten your skin. Lastly, we are going to top it all off with this whitening booster lotion. Aside from having niacinamide, alpha-arbutin, and glutathione, this also has carica papaya. Papaya is also a widely known lightening skincare ingredient. The enzyme papain in papaya acts as a strong exfoliator and removes dead skin cells, which can make the face lighter in tone and more supple. In addition, the abundance of beta-carotene and plant compounds present in papaya enhances the skin glow and complexion. It also has centella extract, which leaves the skin properly moisturized so it is not drying at all. Also, what I like about this is that it brightens instantly. Sort of like a toner cream, so you can see the difference right away. So that's it for today's video. So if you want to achieve a brighter complexion, just follow these and for sure you will achieve great results. So thank you so much. So make sure to subscribe and comment down below what video you want me to do next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.